Welcome friends. Thank you for joining me today. I'm excited to introduce you to the Sales Dashboard in Excel, a powerful tool designed to simplify and streamline the work of sales professionals. In just a few minutes, I'll guide you through how it works. Step 1. Start with the Instructions tab. This section provides a step-by-step guide to help you navigate the template effortlessly. It also includes the quick links to the other tabs for easy access. Step 2. Configure your settings. Begin by setting up the following fields like category, payment mode, status, sales type, salesperson, region and location. Step 3 is to enter the sales data and fill in the following details like date, sales type, salesperson, category, product ID and the name, quantity sold, unit price, sell on buy, region and location, payment mode, status, discount percentage applied, and the rest of the fields will auto-calculate. Use the drop-down menus where applicable to ensure consistency. Step 4. Explore the dashboard, where you will find a variety of visual insights including the sales amount by category, top 3 best-selling products, daily sales trends, buying and selling amount by month, sales types breakdown, payment mode distribution, status overview, and the sales performance by region. One of the best features of this dashboard is its interactive filters. You can filter the data by year, month, sales type, and the payment mode. The charts will automatically update to reflect the selected criteria, providing you with real-time insights. So, if this tool sounds like the perfect solution to streamline your sales management, getting started is simple. If you want to purchase this template, please click the link in the description below. And subscribe to my channel for more tutorials on building templates, productivity tools, and workflow automation. Thank you for your time. I hope this tool helps you stay organized, on track, and achieve your sales goals effortlessly.